Imagine a place far beyond today's limitations. A place where we've taken our passion for innovation to a new level, where new and improved conditions have revolutionized the construction industry. Imagine running your operation day and night without breakdowns. Machines that predict and plan their own maintenance make unplanned stops a thing of the past. Machines that instinctively avoid accidents. Pioneering safety innovations give you a completely safe working environment. Imagine machines that do the work for you, even without you. An autonomous operation will provide you with time to perform other tasks. Imagine your energy efficiency improved by 1000%. Fully electrified machines and site optimization will reduce your energy consumption to a fraction of today's requirements. A place with no harmful pollution. Zero-emission machines and fill-for-life solutions will make your business environmentally sustainable. Imagine a completely integrated business solution. Not only machines, but all products and services needed to run your operation and your business, tailored to your specific needs. Now imagine the impact all this would have on your business and profitability. Some would call this a vision. We call it the plan.